Hello and Jen, welcome to our channel. As we are seeing that there are many fake news are also being propagated from last 2 days. As we know that this is the time we need to be united and we need to be solid and we need to be strong. As our country is fighting very bravely, very valiantly, so we must need to be just supportive to their families. And there is also a news being circulated that the reserves of oil, crude oil, especially petrol and diesel, are going to last due to the war. So here I am going to tell you the Indian oil statement, official statement, and it said that there is enough stock of crude oils, diesel, and petrol, so there is no need to be, to be panic, and it is enough. So just need to support our army and don't take stock of petrol and diesel, and that will the way which we can contribute in this struggle as a civilian. We just need to be strong and we just need to be strict about propagating fake news, because these news can help enemy. We had seen in 1971 the fake news had created panic among the soldiers' families. So this is the time we need to be strong. Thank you, Jen.